Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're gonna install a spring booster on a BMW E46. We got instructions in there, and this is what you get. Users guide. Okay, the control. Double side tape and the harness. So this is what all you get in the box. All the tools you need to install this is only a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to lose your pedal from here and just like wiggle the whole pedal to the left like so. That's how you do it. And I'm going to remove the pedal, pushing here the clip, and push the whole pedal to the left, and this whole thing will come out. Alright, so I'm back, and I already took the pedal off the car. So what you need is to lose this clip right here with your flathead screwdriver. But since I was struggling with this one, I decided to put a little one. It fit more better, but so there's like an up and down struggle here. The good thing about this one, it fits perfect right here on the clip. And the bad thing is short, so you won't have a lot of space. This is the pedal right here. So what I was doing, putting the small screwdriver flathead inside and push it up, and then with your other hand you keep pushing the pedal to the left. You see this rolls right here? This one just slides to the left. Alright, so that's how you take the pedal off. And we have a harness right here, this one. We're gonna take that one off to install our spring booster harness. And yeah, alright, so this thing is here. This is the clip. Put your flathead screwdriver here. Let me just wait for this to focus, and put it up. If you put this thing, the screwdriver up, you're losing the clip. Be careful not to put it here down. All right, so go inside of your car a little bit more. Make sure you're putting the flathead on top of the clip, not down, right? Alright, so I just took the harness connector out of the throttle body, the pedal. It's out. So now we're going to install the spring booster harness. This is a three-way connector or something like that. So the one with the white part, we're gonna connect this one where the white goes to the harness, and that to the actual pedal over there where the harness was. All right, and then that thing, the blue harness, will go here, this one. So this one to the connector for the throttle pedal, this one to the harness connector, this one here. All right, so it should look something like this. Alright, next thing is to put the pedal back. Just letting you guys know so the cables don't be, the harness be on your way. Just put it somewhere where it doesn't bug you or something, you know. Put it on the side, whatever. Right now I'm just gonna fix it, and then I'll show you guys how I set up this thing back. So yep. Alright, so I'm finally done. This is the spring booster harness with the actual harness. It's gonna stay there for now until I find a better place. But I think that should do it. If I'm having problems, then I'm definitely going to move it around somewhere safely. Now this is the harness cable for the spring booster. I just put it on the side of the console, and I run it all the way here. Honestly, I don't know where I'm going to put this one yet, so you can move it wherever you want. I was thinking to put it like somewhere around here, or here, or just put cross the cable all the way around the console, down the steering wheel, and put it here or right here. So this is your choice, wherever you want to put it. Basically that's it for the installation, how to install a spring booster. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and do a review of this. Now see you guys on my next video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Late.